Now he's unloading them into the wooden crates now. Young lads on the trailer. He's levelling the potatoes out in the bins. So filling up them 5 boxes, it looked like there's one tank full. And then he get another one, and then he loads the other side up. Yes, quite so. Yeah, like I say, it's people in that white tent picking all the old rubbish out. Yeah, the sun's out now. It's lovely. Beautiful day. Yeah, today's date is the 29th of September 2025. An empty one. He's waiting to pick up the load off of the machine. That's a fan. 200 horsepower, that one. And the year is 2025. So that one is brand new. Yeah, that's an empty one. Waiting to be loaded up. Now we've got a loaded one now. Snapping a bit. Yeah, look, them 2 clamps that hold the boxes onto the trailer so they can't move. Good idea, that. Yeah, he's taking that back to the yard. Big old whirl on the front, it's only got one. Yeah, like I say, this is brand new, this machine. Lovely, isn't it? There's people in the back in that little white tent. They pick all the old rubbish out and clods and that. So I'm going up the alligator and put him in that tank behind his cab. Now this is the one was spin the row out, and he put it in between two other rows. Here we've got a John Deere here. It's a 61 55R. And this one is 2022. So that's not very old. Here, this machine is picking up two rows at a time, and there's another machine was picking up another row and it's putting them in the middle of the two rows. So like that, he's picking up 3 rows at a time. Like I say, that's a brand new machine, spanking brand new. Yeah, we're down at Mount Burrs. That's in Essex, this is. This machine's brand new, and as you can see, it's lifting potatoes here. As you can see, there's a grimmer. And following the potato harvester is a fan with 10 boxes on. Sound a bit squeaky. just putting them in the boxes. Don't know how much they hold in a box. Maybe a ton, 3/4. Yeah, he keeps them nice and low so he don't bruise them as they go into the bin.